Well, I'm back again. The past couple days I've been working on trying to straighten out some of this fence rail and the pipe, and I've got a right good bit done. I got the worst one right here, believe it or not. It was shaped like a curly Q. Looked like a curly french fry before I started. I still got a little bit more to go on it. I ran out of steam. And I've got a couple more down here. It's got a little crook in them. I got to straighten them out. But I've got all the braces that I straightened out and got those applied on here. And then I use all the diagonal braces that I have. And what I did is on the bottom of these frames, these type frames here, the bottom brackets just slide up and down. But I took and drilled a hole through every one of them and put extra bolts in them. And I've got everything bolted together so the frame is all one piece now. I've got the brace there, and I'm thinking I probably better put 2 more braces in the middle to go across from side to side. So this is the worst pipe here. You can see it's kind of crooked. Once I get it straightened out, I'm going to cut it in half, and I'll use that to go across here. I got all this side braced up, and I used every one of my diagonal braces that I had, and I even had to go out and get this white one here and then take it off the other frame out here on the hill and put it on there. So I got that all straightened out. All that's done, and I'm glad because I was suffering a little bit there trying to get that done. And then all these pieces of pipe down here were all crooked like pieces of loose spaghetti, and I got them all fairly straight. So I got those to work with. Those are all going to be my base plate poles that the frame sits down on, and I can bolt to them, and I'll drive those down in the ground. And then I've got all the legs for the frame. They're all done and straightened out, and all the bows are all repaired and ready to go. So all I need to do now is find me a flat spot out here in the driveway and lay them down out there and build me a jig, hopefully tomorrow, and start putting all that mess together. And I've been cleaning all this up and got everything cleaned and moved out of here. I just got those 2 garden tractors that both work. I've got to move those to the other side and then take the tractor and finish moving that dirt and fill this all in and build it up and get it smoothed out so I can put gravel on it, make it a little parking area for my truck. That way when I get all this gravel that it put down through here all the way to the back, I'll have all this completed this summer. So I got a right good bit done today and yesterday, and Monday too I got a little bit done before the rain came, and not too bad. I found all the wire and everything that I need. I think I got everything. I got hardware cloth to go on the bottom and chicken wire to go above that, and then I've got some roofing metal that's going to go across the top to give the chickens some shade for keep the sun off so they don't roast. And then of course I'll have plastic sheeting that'll have roll-up sides that I can put on both sides so I can close them in the winter time and keep them warm. I've just got to make some end panels to go on this end, because this is the end that the chicken coops are going to go in, the brooding coops, so they can go in and lay their eggs and sleep and whatnot. And then on this end down here will be where I put the door. I've got to find a storm door. I've got 2, but I need those for the next greenhouse. So I've got a place in town that I can get some used doors when they throw them away this spring, and see if I can get enough that I can build a good door. That'll be good to go on this. This project here will be done. So I'll keep you tuned in on that, and we'll see what happens next. I hope you all have a good day. Hope you're staying safe and staying sane. It's not hard to do. You just take your mind and don't sit there and watch too much TV and watch all the coronavirus updates that come on about every 5 seconds to drive you insane. I think there's something to that too. But just look at the good aspects of life and keep going on that. So I'll talk to you tomorrow or the next day. Hope you have a good evening. Talk to you later. Bye.